Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the fuel pump, fuse and relay are located, where you can find them. Actually they're in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And if you need to buy replacement parts too, at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's explain where you can find the fuel pump, fuse and relay. First we're going to start with the fuse because it's in a different fuse box. That fuse box guys for the fuel pump is located in the trunk. Open the trunk, and once you do that guys, you're going to leave the carpet liner up on the back side. Underneath that's your spare tire, that's the car battery, and right behind it is the main trunk fuse box. You see that fuse box? That's a closer look of it guys, that's the spare tire here and the battery. Press the tabs together, leave that cover up, and underneath you have that fuse box layout right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, what we need to check, if we come right here, we need to check one fuse guys, and that fuse specifically that we're talking about is fuse 21 right here. You see that fuse? That's the main fuel pump fuse that you need to check guys, a 30 amp fuse. Then open the hood. You may have a relay, some people will do, some will not, depending on which engine you have. The fuse box, doesn't matter if you have a V6 or V8 engine, will be on the passenger side, facing the engine on the left side, here on the passenger side guys. Press these two tabs together, leave the cover up, and you have that layout here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here, what we guys need to check specifically, some of you that are going to have the fuel pump fuse guys, okay, will be fuse number 54, relay 54 right here. You have that relay. But also consider checking relay 59, which is ignition relay, that controls the fuel pump as well guys. And the ASD relay right here will need to be checked too. Hopefully guys, okay, the information will be helpful to any of you needing that. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.